Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless noise online, yet still afraid of missing something important? What if you could take back control and read exactly what matters to you? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use my Feedreader, a powerful and simple way to follow your favorite websites, blogs, and news, all in one calm, focused place. No distractions, no algorithms, just your content. Feedreader is an RSS reader. That means instead of visiting dozens of websites every day, the content comes directly to you. Think of it like your personal newspaper, but fully customizable. Let's jump in. Here you can read how to add a Windows 11 widget, but I will also show you later in this video how to do it. Customize the widget. When you have many news sources, you can configure each Windows 11 widget to display its own news source, so you can view a single feed per widget. You can also create a widget that combines all your news sources into one chronological timeline. Additionally, you can choose how many news items you want to display in each widget, as well as set the refresh rate. In the Settings tab, you can add your RSS feeds to the list to collect content. You can also adjust how many news items are visible in the application window, as well as set the refresh interval in minutes for when new items should be retrieved. Windows 11 widget. You can also add my Feedreader to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select My Feedreader from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. You can add up to 4 widgets, and each widget can have its own news source. You can also add a mixed widget, which displays all news items from your sources in one chronological timeline within a single widget. When you click on the 3 dots icon, you can choose the size of the widget. In the Customize Widget menu, you can also configure the news source, the number of items to display, and the refresh interval. And that's it. You now know how to use the My Feedreader Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.